Good morning, this is Charlie Zeiss with Only PVC Pyramids. I'm happy to report that as of tomorrow, which is Thursday, April 25th, we are going to be back up and running for purposes of taking orders on our new pyramid series, and we've got lots of enhancements to talk about today. Once again, I want to apologize to all of you who had problems in the past. I've been looking for alternative fulfillment providers. And with all the changes and enhancements that are going on, I finally decided I better keep this to myself and do it myself for the foreseeable future. I've got a verbal agreement on some lease space to make these pyramids in a new facility, and I'm very excited to be able to report that today. But what I want to do is to go over all of the changes that are taking place so that you're aware of what's going on and be better informed, and also you'll know what choices you'll have available at these new lower prices. So I put up on the screen an outline of the changes that we're going to be talking about today. The first one, which started a lot of these changes, is the new corner assembly unit that we devised a couple of weeks ago. We're going to show you how that works and show you how it's improved the product tremendously. The other thing we're going to be talking about are new color choices, new sizes, and the new quartz enhancement, which we will begin offering here soon. And last but not least, the new lower prices that we're able to offer based upon the discovery of this new corner assembly package, which is cutting down tremendously on our labor costs. And we're passing those savings on to you today. So what we've got here on the next page, this is going to be a picture. This is the basic white package that you're going to be receiving. You'll see I've disassembled one of the corner assemblies. There's three that are identical so that you could see what's in each corner assembly. There's a 3-inch piece of pipe, two 45-degree fittings, and what's called a split T. So you get 4 of those fittings, which constitute now the 4 corners of the pyramid. You're going to get a top piece. We've shown it in white and also in black. We don't have any pictures of the black yet that we'll be talking about in a minute, but that is going to be the top piece that will go along with the black pipe that we're going to be offering here shortly. And then you see that there's 4 short pipes and 8 longer pipes, and 4 of those 8 longer pipes have what are called internal couplings at the end of them, and you use those to connect the other 4 pieces of longer pipe together to form the vertical pieces. Now on to the next page, you'll see the critical change that was made, which really came about again as a result of a picture that a viewer sent to me a while back. Is the new corner assembly, and you can see how that corner assembly now functions. Holding 2 pieces of base pipe together, and this is a very strong product, very flexible, and makes putting the pieces together much more easily. Next picture, a picture of the completed base unit, and then in the next picture you'll see we put the pipes, the vertical pipes, into each of the 4 corners, and very simple process. So you see all of these changes that have occurred as a result of the corner assembly, and as we said, we're going to be offering black as an option as well, along with the existing white pyramids going forward. And in about 2 weeks, we're going to have an even more exciting option for you. We've got a picture of a prototype up for you right now, showing you that, but this is going to be a clear pipe pyramid, which has the crystal or a quartz sand capstone. We haven't finalized all of that yet and all the pricing, but I wanted to show you at least what the pyramid itself is going to look like, and that is in this picture filled with quartz sand. That will be available for you in about 2 weeks, pricing to come. Now we're on to new sizes. We've got new sizes of pyramids. We've discontinued our combination pyramids for the time being. We're going to be focusing on 3 sizes. We've eliminated the 5-foot pyramid. which was not a popular size, and we've replaced it with a 7.5 foot pyramid, which is easier to use for both an office chair and office work environment situation, and for use in conjunction with a lounge chair, such as an IKEA Poang chair that we've shown in previous videos. So the new sizes are going to be 6 feet, 7 feet, and 7.5 feet. And of course, we will continue to provide you with connectors as an option for those who want to build your own. In terms of the final new enhancement that we want to talk about, starting next week, as we fulfill new orders, we're going to have the option for you to have us fill those pyramid pipes with high crystalline or high quartz sand, and that has a dramatic impact on the energy fields that are made by the pyramid. And now, last but not least, I want to talk to you about pricing, because I know a lot of you are saying, how can he be doing this and lowering prices? But hopefully the first sentence on this next page sums it all up. Basically, this new corner assembly has improved our product quality while lowering our production costs. And what I've chosen to do is to pass those savings on to you going forward. We've cut, to go down to the bottom of the page, the price of the connectors by $30 from $179 to $149. It's going to be a lot simpler process for the do-it-yourselfers to do this. I did want to mention that although it won't be on the website right away because I'm running behind on time, I will be including when I ship it next week, and I should have it up by next week, all of the appropriate pipe links that will go along with the new set of connectors, because these connectors, base connectors, are of slightly different orientation. The lengths of pipe that will be needed for both the base and the vertical pieces changes slightly. But you'll see that we've reduced that price by $30 or almost 20%. Moving up to the top of the page, we're now going to be talking about our pyramids going forward in two different styles. The classic pyramid, which is going to have no quartz added to it. It's just like our traditional pyramids. And then we're going to be offering enhanced pyramids, which will have the quartz sand included. So by way of reference, I wanted to show you, we haven't offered the quartz sand before, so there's no way to compare that, nor did we have a 7.5 foot before, but the 6 foot pyramid that we previously offered for $349, we've now knocked the price down by $50 to $299. Similarly, the 7 foot pyramid, which used to be $369, is now going to be $319. And finally, the 7.5 foot pyramid will cost $339. Now, I've reduced the prices of those pyramids by $50. I know that I've only reduced the price of the connectors by $30, but I'm adding a little bit more savings into the full pyramids, because I think, as the old business school expression goes, I think I'm going to be able to make it up in volume at these prices. So that's the rationale for this. And going on to the enhanced pyramids, these again are the ones that are going to be filled with quartz sand in all of the vertical and base pipes. And again, both the classic and enhanced pyramids for the time being will be available in black and white going forward. So the price of the new enhanced pyramids are going to be $100 each more than the classic pyramids. So for the 6 foot, $399, 7 foot, $419, and the 7.5 foot, $439. For those of you who would like to do this on your own, I have done a video showing you exactly how you can do this very easily. It's a time-consuming process, and that's why I'm having to charge what I'm having to charge for it, to fill these pipes up precisely for you and to pound in the corks and so forth. So there will be additional shipping charges that will occur when you go to check out, when you get an enhanced pyramid, because of the increased weight of the sand when we ship it going forward. but that's going to range anywhere from $10 for someone close to me on the East Coast up to about $30 shipping out to the West Coast. So we're very, very excited about this. We're going to be showing off these new pyramids this weekend at the Empowered Light Expo, in Philadelphia this weekend. And we will start to fulfill orders next week when we return. I'm waiting for my shipment of pipe, and a lot of that timing is going to be a function of when that actually arrives. But by middle to next week, I will be beginning to fulfill orders, and I will be taking orders on a first come, first served basis based upon orders that are put in. So I hope this is helpful. We are really looking forward to getting feedback on the new colors, the new enhancement of crystal and sand, and also for the lower prices that we're offering now that we're able to provide you with a value-added corner assembly that makes this a much easier pyramid to move around and a much more stable one for the quartz sand option. Hope this is helpful. As always, tell your friends about Only PVC Pyramids and onlypvcpyramids.com. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.